Doing a little bit harvesting, getting some yellow squash, and she just pulls a sneak attack on me. Like, she shows up so quietly without announcement. Oh, Betsy, what? Oh, that was okay. Hold on. You could have a cucumber, something smaller. Yeah, take a cucumber. That's huge. That's like humongous. Have a cucumber. Goodness gracious. It's like anything I do, yeah, go for it. There you go. There's some good seeds for you. Good potassium. Oh, you could go, yeah, if you want. Oh, no, not this. You know what? Not this.